California. This golden state is world-renowned. From its majestic Sierra Nevada to towering coastal cliffs that plunge into the cool Pacific Ocean. California is our nation's most populous state, and its coastal counties generated over 80% of California's $2.3 trillion economy in 2014, the world's 8th largest economy. 9 Bay Area counties generate approximately 30% of California's GDP. This economic well-being is substantially dependent on the health of San Francisco Bay ecosystems. The ocean, bay, and estuaries play an indispensable role in our everyday lives. 70% of the air we breathe comes from the ocean. Our planet's climate and weather cycles are connected to the ocean. Just offshore, away from the hustle and bustle of daily life, lies one of the most productive currents in the world, the California Current. California's marine sanctuaries cover literally thousands of square miles of ocean, and 16% of state waters are under some form of protection, including 9.4% in no-take zones. These critical areas support thousands of species, including breeding seabirds, seals, and sharks. Scientists are peering into this hidden world using clever tools that allow us to see layers of life. This technology includes both unmanned and human-occupied submersibles. Some of the findings are remarkable, and we have become acutely aware of just how vulnerable we are. There are serious issues to consider: climate change, sea level rise, and the overwhelming flood of plastics in the ocean. San Francisco Bay estuary is especially vulnerable to sea level rise caused by climate change. A sea level rise of even a meter could flood many square miles of land, presenting a significant geographic and economic loss to California and the San Francisco Bay Area. And we now live in a plastic economy. According to a 2015 article in the journal Science, it is estimated that 8 million tons of trash, most of it plastic, is released into the ocean each year. And while the Bay Area has relatively strong waste management, thousands of pounds of trash are picked up annually along Bay Area shorelines. To curb these negative trends, we need to be innovative in how we change our ways and use technology to advance our progress more rapidly. Continued exploration is paramount when you consider that 95% of the world's oceans are unexplored, especially below diver depth. Like outer space, there are many questions that remain unanswered. We are at a turning point. We need to innovate, explore, and advance solutions more rapidly to conserve a vital San Francisco Bay for generations to come. Our decisions today at the Golden State Waters Action Summit will help determine the long-term economic and environmental health of our bay and nearshore ocean. The next 10 years may be the most important decade to take action for our planet and our own future.